Okay, Carson, are you ready? Carson, are you ready to play the animal game?
Yeah.
Okay. What animal is that, Carson?
Walrus.
Walrus. Very good. What animal is that, Carson?
Yeah.
Yak. Very good.
What?
What animal is that?
Monkey.
Monkey. Wow. Excellent. Carson, what animal is that?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. What animal is that?
Elephant.
Elephant. Excellent.
Excellent.
What animal is that, Carson?
Polar bear.
Koala bear. Wow. Good job. How about, Carson, what animal is this?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. How about, what animal is that? Carson. Tiger. Okay. What animal is this?
Rhino.
Rhino. Very good, Carson. How about that?
Zebra.
Zebra. Very good.
Ostrich.
Ostrich? I don't know what that is, actually. What animal is that?
Penguin.
Penguin.
The
How about this one?
tiger.
Another tiger, white tiger. How about this one?
Diego.
Nope. What is that?
Muffin.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Carson, hey.
I want to game.
Okay, after you're
Carson.
done with that
What is that?
Whale.
one. No, what is that?
What is that?
Carson.
Dolphin.
Yes.
Dolphin. How about this, Carson? Hey. What is this?
Ostrich. Otter.
Vulture. Very good. What is this, Carson?
Horsey.
Horsey. Nay, that's what sound the horsey makes. Hey, Carson, look. What is that? Giraffe. How about that?
Tiger.
Tiger. How about this one, Carson?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Yeah. What is this, Carson?
Camel.
Camel. Yeah. How about this one?
Polar bear.
Polar bear. Excellent.
Excellent.
How about that one?
Ostrich.
I don't know what that is, actually.
Hat.
Ooh, how about that one?
Seal.
Seal. Ooh, look at this one, Carson.
Lion.
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 How about that one?
Rhino. Hippo.
Hippo. Yeah, it's a hippo. And this one, Carson?
Polar bear.
No, what? You know what that is.
Polar bear.
Koala bear. Yeah. And then what is that?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Yep. And how about this one, Carson?
Carson, what's the last one?
A baby.
Carson, look, Daddy's got one more animal. One more animal. Look. Look. Look at Daddy's last animal. What is that?
Goat.
Goat. Very good.